The create letters command creates alphanumeric characters comprised of lines, arcs, and nerve splines. The letters can be used for engraving on a machined part. Mastercam fonts contain predefined letter files in 4 fonts: block, box, Roman, and slant. Each file contains a letter or character comprised of lines, arcs, and splines. You can customize any Mastercam font by opening the file for each letter. TrueType fonts can be created in Mastercam. Any TrueType fonts that are installed on your computer will be available. Drafting fonts provided with Mastercam can be formatted using the Note text parameters that you can access in the Advanced tab. The Create Letters command is in the Wireframe tab in the Shapes group area. Once you select it, the system gives you by default a style. You have different other options that you can choose from. If you just want a stick font, drafting Roman font, drafting European font, you can give a try to all of them. I'm just going to leave the default selected. You could also select TrueType fonts. Any TrueType fonts that you have on your system will be available also once you select it. You can see this is what I have on my computer currently as far as fonts goes. You can create them in different styles, and of course you can use different sizes too. I usually leave the size to 10 because we have another way of controlling the size of the fonts in the dimensions. In the letters area, I'm going to enable caps locks on my computer and just enter Mastercam. Oh, I select Arial by mistake. I'm just going to go back to OLF Simple Sans SGK OC, and I'm going to change the dimensions. The height will be 3/4, 0.75, and once you press an enter, the spacing will be determined by the system. Mastercam gives you a spacing here, but if you want to change the spacing, you can do this right now. You could just say 0.155, let's say, and then I press an enter to see how this will affect the letters. As far as alignment, you can create the letters horizontal as they are right now, or you can select the vertical option, and then you can see the letters, how they appear. You can have chain as a geometry created, and then you can place the letters on the top of the chain. The system will allow you to select the chain. Or you can also use an arc. You will have two options for the arc. You can create the letters on the top of the arc or at the bottom of the arc. Let's say if I'm going to give the radius 3 inches, you can see the difference between top, currently selected, and then bottom. You can see it there. I'm just going to leave the alignment set to horizontal, and I'm just going to sketch a point, but of course at this moment you can also enter coordinates. If you know exactly where you want the end of the M letter to be located, you can type in X and Y values for it. I'm just going to click to sketch it, and then OK to exit the command. This concludes the video on how to create letters for engraving.